investors flocked to GW Pharmaceuticals ahead of quarterly earnings and the filing for FDA approval of its marijuana-based drug Epilox. I'm probably not saying that right, but they had a huge 12% increase in July. How does the finance guru feel about marijuana-based investments?
I think there's great potential in marijuana-based investments. So let's just take away the moral issues and the possibility of marijuana being a gateway drug. There are a lot of positives related to marijuana. I see it this way. If marijuana is helping people from a medical standpoint, it should be used for those purposes. And ultimately, all the states should be open to this. There's no reason to have people suffering from various diseases when medical marijuana can be a solution. We have to get over the stigma related to marijuana. Look, we have a tremendous crisis right now with opioids in this country. And I don't think that we've seen anything in that realm related to marijuana addiction. So I think there is a real difference here. I think eventually marijuana is going to be legal, certainly for medical purposes, and I think we're also going to get there for recreational purposes. Now, if we do get there, and the states that do have it at this point, it's controlled. So there's a limited amount of companies and people who can grow it and process it and so on. Therefore, I think there's going to be some really interesting investment opportunities that are worth looking at. So I believe that marijuana-based investments are going to be something in the future that has great potential, and any investor who has the desire to look at it should give it a really hard look. I think there's some really good investment opportunities there.